If you work in the puree, sauce, or concentrate sector, you need the equipment I'm about to show you. This is the Double Turbo Pulper, made up of 2 Manzini units of 30, the perfect ally for those who want to separate the pulp from the excuses, but with double the power. Designed to process fruits and vegetables thanks to its parallel centrifugal refining system. It removes seeds, skins, and other impurities, and delivers a final texture that is uniform and professional. What makes it so special? Double refining with Swiss precision, but made in Italy. 2 high-speed rotors propel the product against interchangeable sieves. The result? Simply double the capacity with the same quality. You choose the fineness, they execute it to perfection. Versatility times 2. Tomatoes, fruits, berries, zucchini. This pair processes it all, and with astonishing adaptability. Efficiency. Designed to work continuously and with the same maintenance. They neither complain nor ask for vacation. 2 machines, 1 mission, for you to produce more and better. Operating room level hygiene, stainless steel construction, easy to clean design, and compliance with the highest food hygiene standards. Performance will depend on the product, but this machine is ready for anything. Do you want to see it in action now or have it working in your plant? At Maquinaria Tomás Guillén, we have it available to revolutionize your production line.